And now we're at the grave of Charles Taylor Pepper, also known as Dr. Pepper. There's usually a bottle or a can of Dr. Pepper here, but not today. This was the Dr. Pepper. He didn't actually invent the drink, but he hired the guy at his pharmacy slash soda fountain that did go on to invent Dr. Pepper, and he named it after his old boss. He invented it in Waco, Texas, which is also famous for the Branch Davidian Mount Carmel debacle. That's David Koresh, but also for Dr. Pepper. And we brought a can of Dr. Pepper by to leave here at the grave. Have you ever heard of pouring one out for your homes? No. You've never heard of that? Pour one out for Dr. Pepper. There's a few other Pepper graves here too. I guess were his family. W.H. Pepper, Chaz Pepper, Lena Pepper. She's a pepper, he's a pepper. Don't you want to be a pepper too? That was their slogan at some point in life. I don't remember, 90s I guess maybe. Alright, you ready? We'll leave a little here for him and head down the road.